This is a Zune Lotoo Annihilate military shovel. Made for more than 20 processes. With 15 functions, it's suitable for military and survival rescue. The shovel surface is made with the 3rd generation fine-grain casting technology, which has amazing strength with a built-in high-polymer anti-skid sleeve. Inner oblique line axe edge design. Slashing penetration increased by 45%. The induction temperature at the blade edge reaches 1300 degrees centigrade. The effective hardness is HRC 60. Cutting edge design with a high sharp angle, forming an inner curved blade for cutting. Make it easy to destroy objects with fibers. 6-speed shift key design. No need to remove lever handle. Press the shift key lightly. Multi-angle adjustment of shovel surface can come true. Agility like a part of the arm. 3D, 3-dimensional casting. The thickness reaches to 1.3 centimeter, like backs of the human body. It can easily support the weight of an adult. The second lever is equipped with tactical assault knife, which is Bowie knife type design. It is made from X155 CRV MO121 steel, produced by the Ruhr Industrial Zone in Germany. Extremely sharp. The third lever is equipped with rescue whistle, used for warning, distressing, and scaring beasts. The tail handle is equipped with a German fire rod. You can fire with the sawtooth of the tactical knife. The temperature produced by instantaneous friction can reach 1000 degrees, which is enough to ignite a fire switch. No matter where you go, take it with you will be the best choice. With supercraft and German quality, it can follow you around for a long time.
is the Freescape camp saw. The innovative design lets you fold the saw flat while remaining completely assembled using no extra tools. Its slim size when folded makes it simple to store in a pack or a gear bag without threat of lost parts. Apply the sturdy blade to cut through larger diameter wood. Its structure lets you work with the full length of the blade for the most efficient use of your energy. Replace the standard 12-inch blade easily when needed. The saw's grippy rubber handle stays firmly in your hand as you go. This is the Freescape camp saw.